Here I've got XIAOMI Mi 10T Pro, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So first of all, you need to open the browser that you are using, then tap on the More icon, select History, and here just click on Clear Browsing Data. And you will notice Basic and Advanced options. Under Basic you've got the browsing history, cookies and site data, and also got images and files. And then under Advanced you have a few more, which are saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. And finally just pick the time range right here. So you can choose whichever you want to, but as I would like to clear it fully, I will choose all time. And finally just mark clear data, and that's it. As you can see, there is no longer history here, and you can create it from scratch. So this is it. This is how you can clear browsing data in your XIAOMI Mi 10T Pro. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.